This is Armor Vanish Headlight and Taillight Tint. What is unique about this film is it transitions from light to dark when it's in the sun. Plus, this film is made from TPU, a thermoplastic polyurethane, so it protects against rock chips and sun fade. To begin our install, we're going to clean our headlight with a diluted alcohol solution. Now we are going to spray our headlight with our slip solution. We recommend using Wrap Fresh Jelly Fresh. We are going to start by tacking one side of the headlight with hot distilled water, as you can see that I'm doing here. Then we are going to rinse out any sort of soap or jelly on the other side of the headlight. What this is going to do is once I stretch this film across the other side, I'm going to want it to stick. I'm actually heating the film with my hot distilled water, and this allows me to stretch the film a little bit easier. It becomes a little bit more pliable. So I'm going to pull this film across the headlight. I'm going to hold it here just for a second. And what this is going to do is this is going to ensure a nice tack along this edge. You may have to add some more solution to where the film might have dried out. My next step is to squeegee out all the solution that is behind the film. Once we are set in place, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start tacking the edges with my hot distilled water. All the hot water solution is basically to rinse out any sort of soapy solution behind the film. Once we are all set and the film is dry, now it's time to cut the headlight. And as you can see, I'm cutting about an 1/8 inch inward on the headlight to reduce any sort of peeling. Once everything is dry, it's always safe to go around the edges with a heat gun to make sure that nothing is lifting before your project is complete. And just like that, your headlights are tinted in Armor Vanish headlight film. Vanish is available now at wrapfresh.com.